We weren't told by the organization that we pay yearly for that COVID is coming.
We do start off with some breaking news. Effective today, the United States has officially left the World Health Organization. Here's what we know. The U.S. finalized its withdrawal 1 year after President Donald Trump announced America was ending its 78-year-old commitment. I do want to share this post here with you. This is from the White House this morning, and it says, effective today, the United States has exited the World Health Organization. This fulfills President Trump's commitment under an executive order signed 1 year ago following the WHO's mishandling of COVID-19 and its ongoing lack of reform, accountability, and transparency. However, according to the World Health Organization, the U.S. owes more than $130 million to the Global Health Agency. And Trump administration officials acknowledge that they haven't finished working out some issues, such as lost access to data from other countries that could give America an early warning of a new pandemic. The U.S. is legally required to give notice 1 year in advance of withdrawal, which it did, but also to pay any outstanding financial obligations. The World Health Organization saying the U.S. has not paid any of its dues for 2024 and 2025.
So Trump is at it again. U.S. has officially exited the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization was supposed to be a place where we get guidance, data of any diseases that are coming. Trump is basically looking at the WHO, that's what we're going to call them, WHO, as a people that failed us with COVID. The reason why is they were slow at acknowledging COVID. They were having their information heavy relied from China, and it gave us a delayed pandemic declaration. And basically what it was they failed us. All this money that goes to the WHO, they were supposed to tell us well in advance about COVID so we can prepare for it. If you know about COVID, it hit us crazy because we weren't prepared. We weren't told by the organization that we pay yearly for that COVID is coming. It's kind of seemed like they held information. But the biggest thing that you want to know about WHO is how their funding works. See, United States gave about what it says reported 20% of their funding. Where's the other 80% of their funding coming from? Private donors. So that means that we have people of status giving money to the WHO. So what does that mean to you? That means they have influence on what they're saying. One of their biggest donors, Bill Gates and Melinda Foundation, who they're very big on what? Vaccines. So later on during the COVID pandemic, what were they saying? Vaccinations, vaccinations, vaccinations. And then they were saying now they want them to have it every year. So this is what they're saying. How can we trust somebody that's getting money from private people, not just from nations?